Creating a cooking video for a chocolate cake involves detailed preparation and presentation of the recipe. Here's a complete narrative text that can guide the production of such a video. Title: Divine Chocolate Cake Delight. 1. Introduction scene: a cozy kitchen setup with well-organized cooking utensils and ingredients laid out neatly on a counter. Host introduction: welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of baking with an all-time favorite, chocolate cake. 2. Ingredients display: close-up shots of ingredients as they are mentioned. Here's what you'll need for our cake. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs. 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. 3. Preparing the batter action shot: whisking flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Narration: firstly, we mix our dry ingredients in a large bowl. Be sure to combine them thoroughly. Action shot: adding eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla to the dry mixture. Narration: now, add the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Let's beat this combination until it's smooth. 4. Creating the cake mix: slow motion shot of pouring boiling water into the mixture. Narration: here's the secret to a perfect, moist cake: boiling water. Pour it in slowly and mix. Notice how our batter becomes luscious and smooth. 5. Preparing to bake: an oven setting shot, preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Action shot: greasing a cake pan and lining it with parchment paper. Narration: with our batter ready, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line your cake pans now for easy cake removal later. 6. The baking process action shot: pouring the batter into prepared pans and placing them in the oven. Timer set to 30 to 35 minutes. Narration: carefully pour the batter into the pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 7. Cooling and icing preparation action shot: transferring cakes to a wire rack to cool. Clip of ingredients for the icing. Narration: while our cakes cool, let's prepare the frosting. Today we'll use a simple chocolate ganache. 8. Ingredients for ganache shot of ingredients: 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 1 cup of heavy cream. Narration: for our ganache, we need 8 ounces of finely chopped semi-sweet chocolate and 1 cup of heavy cream. 9. Making the ganache action shot: heating cream to a simmer, pouring it over the chopped chocolate. Stirring begins, slowly transforming into a rich, glossy ganache. Narration: bring the heavy cream to a gentle simmer, then pour it over your chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then stir gently until smooth. 10. Final assembly action shot: placing 1 cake layer on a serving plate, adding ganache, followed by the second cake layer. Action shot: pouring remaining ganache smoothly over the top. Decoration: simple chocolate shavings or sprinkles. Narration: set 1 cooled cake layer on your plate, spread a layer of ganache, top it with the other cake. Pour the remaining ganache over the top, and decorate as you like. 11. Final scene: a slice of the chocolate cake, beautifully presented on a plate, with a fork ready.